It is a pleasure to greet you and I welcome you to a new video. In this video we will discuss the following. What can you give your dog to relieve the pain? Let's get started. Knowing that your dog is in pain is very worrying. It's understandable wanting to do something, anything, to ease the pain ASAP. But if you are tempted to reach for a human pain reliever to give to your dog, you should stop. Over-the-counter pain relievers and other medications for humans can be very dangerous and even fatal to dogs. Dogs should not be given ibuprofen, Advil, acetaminophen, Tylenol, aspirin, or any other pain reliever made for human consumption, except under the approval of a veterinarian. 1. How do aspirin and other over-the-counter pain relievers affect dogs? Some of the more common over-the-counter pain relievers include aspirin, baby aspirin, ibuprofen, and naproxen. They all work and promote inflammation, fever, and pain. When normal dog functions are adversely affected by over-the-counter medications for humans, dogs can develop problems such as the following: gastrointestinal ulcers, vomiting and diarrhea, often bloody, loss of appetite, bleeding disorders, kidney dysfunction, liver damage, in some cases. Dogs can die without proper treatment. It is not safe to give your dog any amount of aspirin, ibuprofen, naproxen, or another human anti-inflammatory without first talking to your vet. Cats are especially sensitive to the adverse effects of these drugs, but because more dogs are exposed to these drugs, more cases of toxicity are reported in dogs compared to cats. 2. Less obvious dangers of these medications in dogs. Other problems can arise in dogs for a number of reasons. Sometimes an owner will give you an inappropriately high dose of one or more of these medications. Certain dogs are especially sensitive to these human-formulated medications and can develop dangerous side effects even when the correct dose is administered. The simultaneous use of other medications, corticosteroids, for example, or the presence of certain health conditions such as gastrointestinal, liver or kidney diseases can make use in dogs more risky than normal. 3. What about Tylenol for dogs? Acetaminophen, Tylenol, is still just as dangerous for dogs. No one is sure how it works to reduce pain and fever. It has no effect on inflammation. But when dogs ingest toxic amounts of acetaminophen, it destroys their liver cells, damages the kidneys, and converts hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying molecule in the blood, to methemoglobin, resulting in a deficient supply of oxygen throughout the body and a widespread tissue damage. If you have a household with multiple pets, you should also know that cats are so sensitive to the adverse effects of acetaminophen that taking just one regular strength tablet can lead to severe toxicosis, and 2 tablets can be fatal. 4. So what can you give your dog to relieve pain? Pharmaceutical companies have designed pet-specific pain relievers that are safer and more effective for dogs than those designed for people. Your vet can prescribe pain relievers made for dogs that can safely and effectively relieve your pet's discomfort. With knowledge of the specifics of your dog's health status and history, your veterinarian can make a proper diagnosis, determine which medication and dosage are most appropriate for your dog, and devise a monitoring plan that will make treatment appropriate. Safest possible. Medications commonly used for dogs are carprofen, Atodolac, and meloxicam. Other measures to relieve pain. Prescription medications are not the only way to ease a dog's pain. Chronic inflammatory conditions like osteoarthritis often respond well to diet modification. More severe cases can also benefit from physical therapy, acupuncture, cold laser treatments, and other interventions. Talk to your vet to determine which medication or treatment is right for your dog. Develops your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Hit the instant access button below right now and start your journey to having an amazing, obedient, highly intelligent dog today. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.